Hey guys, welcome to Toys Collection video. Wow, so many toys guys. Amazing toys collection. Wow, beautiful toys, wonderful toys guys. Wow, amazing toys guys. Wow, it's a JCB guys, blue and yellow color combination JCB. Wow, it's a small JCB guys. Beautiful JCB. Wow, it's a white color container truck lorry guys. Beautiful white color container truck lorry. Wow, amazing guys, amazing. Wow, it's a red and yellow color combination of oil tanker guys. Big oil tanker. Wow, beautiful oil tanker. Old model oil tanker guys. See green color wheels. Wow, it's a auto guys. CNC auto. Beautiful auto guys. Beautiful auto. Wow, it's a truck lorry, small truck lorry. Wow, beautiful truck lorry guys. Amazing truck lorry, wonderful truck lorry. Wow, it's a big car guys, orange color car, old model car. Beautiful car guys, beautiful car. Wow, beautiful guys, beautiful. Wow, it's a yellow color oil tanker guys. Beautiful oil tanker. Amazing oil tanker guys. Wow, beautiful guys. Beautiful toy guys. Beautiful toy. Wow, it's a truck lorry guys. Big polo truck lorry. Old model truck lorry. See green color wheels, 6 wheels. Wow, vegetables vehicle. Wow, it's a taxi, black and yellow color taxi. Beautiful taxi guys, wonderful taxi. Wow, it's a red color container lorry, beautiful vehicle, shining vehicle guys. Wow, wonderful guys, this vehicle is. Wow, it's a white color police car, small police car guys, small police car, beautiful police car. Wow, it's a big truck lorry guys, old model truck lorry, beautiful no, 6 wheels, amazing wheels. Wow, big wheels, beautiful truck lorry guys. Wow, small vehicle guys, small vehicle. Beautiful vehicle. Wow, beautiful transport vehicle. Wow, it's a aeroplane guys. White color aeroplane. Beautiful guys, beautiful aeroplane guys. Wow, beautiful aeroplane.